Where is the description in YouTube? Hey guys, and let's get started. In YouTube, the description is a text section below a video that provides additional information about the video contents. This can include video summary, links, timestamps, credits, call to actions, and hashtags. To find the location of description in YouTube, just open your YouTube on your Android device and then search for the channel whose video you want to watch. Once you have searched for the channel, hit on the search button to open it. After that, go to the video whose description you want to check. Now, under the video, you will see a small section with a down arrow. Or you could see a section written as More. Tap on the More option and a new tab will open for the description. This can include the timestamps, FAQs, hashtags, and much more. The step is same for the Windows version or the desktop version as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.